You might be thinking to yourself, I can't be involved in cybersecurity. I'm a bit stupid, or I don't understand it, or it is for the realms of the genius. Wrong. In this video, we have 5 practical ways to help you combat against hackers, so you come out on top every single time. Firstly, change your default router password. Most hackers look for devices still using factory settings. This is your first line of defense, and websites like routerpasswords.com are used by ethical hackers as a first port of call to test if you have kept the original password. Change it today. It only takes a few seconds. Just don't create a password of your dog's name and then add a 123 after it. This will take seconds to crack. Second, rename your SSID to something anonymous. Avoid names like John's Wi-Fi or anything that reveals personal info. There are many different ways to test for someone's SSID name, signal strength, frequency in gigahertz, and more. Shown is the Aircrack suite, listing all SSIDs. Keep it simple. Don't give hackers any chances. Third, enable WPA3 encryption on your Wi-Fi router if it is available, or at least WPA2. It's a must for securing wireless data. Be very wary of this. It is the difference between crappy or rock-solid security. Fourth, disable WPS or Wi-Fi protected setup. It might be convenient, but it's a huge vulnerability. It should be a little button on your router, but it is a big security flaw. Turn it off. Lastly, fifth, regularly update your router firmware. Manufacturers patch vulnerabilities all the time. Most ISPs will update your router remotely and at night to minimize disruption. This is essential for closing the door to cybercrime. These 5 tips will really step up your home or small office security. Watch the next video on how ethical hackers can target any device, or just watch our cyber playlist. You will learn a lot from G-Man. See you next time.